Hello everyone, it's getting late, man. It's getting dark very fast. It's like only 5:30 p.m. Everything's getting very dark very fast now, especially it's kind of cloudy right now. But anyways, I wanted to make a video on our 1994 Volvo 850, which is this bad boy right here, that we got for free if you guys watched my previous video. Anyways, remember when I told you it had occasional crank no start? It would just crank and no start, and I told you what symptoms I think it was. Obviously I told you guys the previous owner, he changed the plugs, wires, coil, and the fuel pump relay. The only thing that why I didn't think it was the fuel pump relay, because usually when a fuel pump relay glitches, you would drive, sometimes it would want to shut off. So if you have like a scenario where your car is, you're driving, it wants to shut off, then it could be most likely a fuel pump relay. You will have occasional non-starts, but it will also affect you know, when you start it up, and it will want to shut off. Mine did not do that. It would, if it started the first turn, it would start right up, but it would never, like if you started it, it would never want to shut off. It wasn't glitching. So that's what kind of made me think that the pump, the consistent pump, you know, the one that pumps during when the car is running, that's what made me think that that's probably what's glitching. And yeah, I changed the pump, and yeah, this is the third day that I'm checking, and it starts right up. So let's confirm what I'm saying, make sure I'm not full of it. Neutral. Let's see if it starts right up. I fixed it. Yep. So yeah, I did fix it. Only parking brake on, and that's it. You see that? No lights. This is my first time starting it today. Yesterday I checked it, the day before, no issues at all. So I changed the fuel pump. I got a cheap Chinese one. I don't remember whether I got it from Amazon or eBay. I'll post the link underneath, and it works like a charm. It has one extra little plug from the ground, I think, but I didn't end up using it on the fuel pump. I just plugged that in, plugged the connector in, and that's it, and it works like a charm. I'm telling you, it beautifully. I'm pretty sure most of the fuel pumps nowadays are made in China anyways. They just put their brand on it and maybe change some cosmetics on it. But yeah, I don't know. Nowadays I don't buy into, especially for a car this old. If I were you, I would not be spending hundreds of dollars on fuel pumps to get, like, you know, the Bosch and them, because you'll pay a couple $100s when this car is probably worth a couple $100. So it's like, don't be doing that. Like, I've spent 40 something bucks for the fuel pump, for a whole assembly, not just a little pump inside the assembly, for the whole assembly with the connector, with everything on it. So yeah, it started right up. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, because I know there's probably gonna be a lot of people that own these cars. This one doesn't have the OBD2 port. It has the little plugs under the hood. I tried to look, it's a 94, it's a manual. I couldn't find the OBD port. So like, if anything's wrong with this car, unless you have the old style scanner of some sort, you're not finding nothing in this car. So anyways, yeah, I wanted to make this video. If you have a, you know, occasional start, and sometimes it just cranks no start, you know, it's most likely your fuel pump. It could be a relay, but the relay ain't cheap. Like I said, the relay costs almost pretty much exactly the same as the fuel pump does. So, you know, as the fuel pump that I bought, and it's working fine. I drove on it already and started yesterday, ran it for like an hour almost, started it today, as you can see. First turn, I didn't even start it today. This is the first time. Started right up. So yeah, I fixed my issue. Now I ordered a pair of wipers. I got myself the resistor for this here, because this would only work, you see that? All the rest of the speed don't work. It's just the 4-speed. That usually means it's a resistor. I paid also 10 bucks. There's a bunch of them that are 20, 30, 40 bucks. I found exact same one for 10 bucks, and I ordered it. So be smart, people, especially with old cars like this that are not worth much, and if you just want to drive it to work and back and this and that, the Chinese parts nowadays will do the same exact thing, and most of them are made in the same probably factory. So don't be fooled by the, oh, it's this brand, oh, it's so much better. No. I mean, there is some really bad knockoffs, like, it's just not safe, but most of those, they're really bad. I don't know. I buy Chinese stuff and I just kind of look at the description. If the description makes sense, if the guy, you know, that's selling it is making sense what he's actually saying, which cars it fits and all that, then you kind of probably have a feeling that he knows about the cars and everything, and he did his research and he made sure that this part fits this car. That's how I kind of determined it, and that's what made me buy it. So I bought it and it fixed it. So I'm gonna install the resistor, the wipers, and then I'm gonna get that pair of tires, a used set, probably good used set, and yeah, and this car is ready to go. I don't know if there's anything that needs to be, anything else that needs to be done. If anything does come up, I'll let you guys know, but that's my plan for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, let me show you guys. Let me open the trunk and I'll show you where the fuel pump is. When this trunk is ready to, well, it's right here. You just take these 10mm nuts off. This cap comes off and you unscrew the fuel pump. You just kind of hold, then this is the plug right here. You unplug it and then unscrew the pump and then swap the seals, the top seal, and then screw it back in, and just kind of make sure you hold it in a position when you kind of screw it in. But yeah, this is dirty. I gotta vacuum it too. But yeah, that's it. That fixed my issue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped somebody out. That's my goal every time I make these videos. So if you guys have any suggestions or questions, comment in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you guys for watching my videos. As always, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, see you next time.